I'm Adam Madish from Sterling Machinery Exchange here in South El Monte, California, just 20 minutes east of Los Angeles, California, with over 2,000 new and used machine tools in stock, such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, presses, and much more. Today I'm going to show you a really nice Blanchard grinder that just came out of our shop. It's been all gone through, cycled, cleaned, painted. Machine's ready to go. It runs very, very nice. Came out of a large manufacturing plant with a big maintenance staff. We'll go through, run a few of the options, let you see how everything runs on it. Chuck's got a lot of chuck life there. You can take a look. There's plenty of chuck life left on there. It's got some extra stones that come with it. And we'll go ahead and show everything to you. Right now you can see there's no magnetic force. We'll go ahead and turn on the chuck. You can see the light comes on right here, and it's stuck. Okay. Go ahead and start the machine for you. Start the pump. Here goes the head for you. If you want to take a look here, I'm just going to slide it out of the way. You can see everything moving. And we can manually move the table in and out. We'll go ahead and start the wheel. Well, the wheel started, now we got the electromagnetic chuck. And again, you go in and out. Now right here is how we have set your down feed, your incremental down feed. One, you can manually put it on to wherever you have to go. You can manually bring it down very finely. You have a few different feeds here that go from 4 to 76. We'll go ahead and show you the machine in feed mode. There you can see it's incrementally down feeding. You see it ticking off each time here. So right now it's going at 64 thousandths per minute. That's the incremental down feed. You can set it, just turn the knob here to a different feed rate. You have your different RPM here from 6 to 33 RPM. As you can see, everything on this machine is very clean. It's all been cleaned up and painted. The guards are in good condition. We've gone through and really took nice care of this machine. It's all ready to go. You can hear it's very quiet running. Just finished the cycle right there. You can see it stopped feeding. If you're interested in this grinder or any other grinder, we have surface grinders, rotary grinders, even small double-end pedestal grinders. Give us a call, 626-444-0311, or check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com, the web's premier machinery video site.